Hi Gitu.
Hi Preeti.
Hello audience. Today we have come again with a new topic of impact of parental conflicts on the kids.
Wow, parental conflicts? What an amazing topic. हर घर में usually ये problems बच्चे और parents के साथ में आती हैं. Let's talk about it, Preeti.
Yes, it's rightly said कि हर घर में जो है मोस्टली ये प्रॉब्लम्स देखी जाती हैं कि पेरेंट्स का आपस में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो या झगड़ा हो तो उसका इम्पैक्ट कहीं ना कहीं बच्चे पे आता है इन टर्म्स जो लव केयर शेयरिंग अफेक्शन जो बच्चों को उस टाइम पे उस स्टेज पे उस एज पे मिलना चाहिए वो कहीं ना कहीं उस चीज से मिस आउट होते रहते हैं तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट गीतू टू गिव फ्यू टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स ऑन दिस हाउ टू ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम.
Thank you so much, Preeti. I would love to share certain tips that will help parents to avoid parental conflict and also ensure that the child is not that much affected with the parental conflicts that are happening. Okay, so the first thing here is, when there is a child who overreacts, जैसे कि कई बार बच्चे गार्डन में खेल रहे होते हैं और उनमें से एक बच्चा ऐसा होता है या दो बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनका झगड़ा हुआ है और दे विल जस्ट कीप शाउटिंग एंड येलिंग और फिर थोड़ी देर में से उनमें से एक बच्चा गुस्सा होकर अलग हो जाता है, अलग चला जाता है. सो दे विल नॉट मिंगल एंड दे विल नॉट प्ले. तो आमतौर पर देखा गया है ऐसे बच्चों के घरों पे यूजुअली बहुत फाइट्स रहती हैं पेरेंट्स के बीच में, बहुत डिस्पैरिटी रहती है, तेज तेज चिल्ला के बात करते हैं वो पेरेंट्स आपस में, and there is also at times physical assault that happens and the child becomes a witness to it. Just imagine what that child goes through when that child sees that this is what is happening between my parents and the same thing is what the child does, right? So pehli baat, parents should avoid raising voice, shouting and yelling in front of the child. बच्चे के ऊपर तो करना ही नहीं है बट आपस में भी ये चीज जितना हो सके बच्चों के सामने अवॉइड कीजिए. सेकेंडली, फिजिकल असॉल्ट तो चाइल्ड शुड नेवर एवर विटनेस दैट because the child does not have to learn. So as we say, you practice what you preach, right? So you have to ensure, अगर आप चाहते हो आपका बच्चा एक सभ्य बच्चा बने, discipline में रहे, the child should talk softly and politely, you have to do the same, right? So that is the first point, that ensure you're not doing those fights in front of your child. And even if there are circumstances that there is some discussion or some argument that is happening where their voice is getting raised or there is a clash between the parents, then one has to ensure that you have to show to the child, once the issue is resolved, you have to show the same to your child कि arguments होते हैं but then there is parity again. We all are a happy loving family and it's okay to have arguments, but again, see, we are talking to each other and we are behaving nicely and we are there for each other. So the same thing the child will learn with his friends at his school when he grows up in his own relationship, that it's okay to have arguments, but how do you resolve it? What is the choice of words that you're using? What are your emotions, thoughts, and feelings? How are you expressing? Right, Preeti?
Yes, true, very true. Very nicely said this.
So
And ये कहीं ना कहीं होता
I
है कि
just have,
बच्चों के को भी आनी
yeah,
शुरू हो जाती
yeah, I'm sorry. I was just saying one thing, that here you need to teach to your child how to react and how to respond. React तो बच्चे naturally करेंगे. So you have to tell the difference कि आपको react नहीं, आपको respond करना है. आपको इस particular situation में respond करना है. तो क्या होता है प्रीति react, बताओ तो?
That's what I was about to ask you. Ki what is the difference between reaction and responding?
Yes. So first thing, you immediately react to a situation. आपने कुछ चीज टूटी, आपने immediately बोल दिया ओहो टूट गया, और react कर दिया और बच्चे को डांट दिया. That is your reaction. Now, when you are responding as a parent to that particular situation, what would you do? You would not shout at your child. You would think and you will calmly say it's okay, and you would ask, आपको चोट तो नहीं लगी? And it's all right. You have to be careful for the next time, and you would probably, help the child to take that thing away. So that is a basic example. The same is you can teach this to your child कि आपको कोई सिचुएशन है, अगर मम्मा पापा में आपस में प्रॉब्लम हुई है, होता क्या कई बार बच्चे भी शामिल हो जाते हैं उसमें. चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट डूइंग द सेम. ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो. प्लीज 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 remember to use this. Just break it. Change the energy the whole situation had. This whole situation will change. Okay. Thank you so much, Preeti. So why don't you summarize the points for us?
Sure. So these were the few tips shared by Geetu, and thank you so much, Geetu, for giving these useful tips for our audience. And I hope you all will follow this. इसको follow करके काइंडली मेक इंश्योर कि आपका और आपके बच्चे के साथ का रिलेशन जो है एक अच्छी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग हो, आप दोनों की आप उसमें अच्छी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग हो. बिकॉज जैसे पेरेंट्स का रिलेशन आपस में रहेगा, उसी की वाइब्स जो है बच्चे के अंदर दिखनी शुरू हो जाती है.
Exactly.
यू आर हैप्पी, योर चाइल्ड इज हैप्पी.
Yeah,
If you are angry,
happy parents raise happy kids.
Right. So with this, we come to an end of our third video of the series, We and Our Kids, New Parenting. And we would request you all to please like, share, comment on this video. And we will be sharing our contact details also along with this video. So please do, if you want any counseling from me or Geetu, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you so much, Preeti. Yes, please like, comment, and share our videos. Support us. And I would love to announce this, that it's a new year coming, and in January we are coming up with a workshop wherein parents can discuss their live cases. Preeti is an expert on parenting, and I'm also there I'll be guiding you on various ways and skills and techniques that you can use with your kids. So do contact us, and wish you all a merry Christmas.
Yes, wish you all a very merry Christmas.
Thank you, Preeti.
Thank you, Geetu. Bye.